My name is Jecerey Miranda, and I'm here to answer the ancient calling that is within us all. Can you feel the wisdom of our ancestors growing inside? Even after colonization's harsh hand, these connections can never truly be lost, as it is inside our blood and soul. Together, we will uncover the knowledge, ceremonies, rituals, and stories that still survive. Let's start this off in 2019, where I had no idea what I was gonna uncover in the Philippines.
Morning.
Morning. Mommy.
Jecerey, that's Wilma. That's my
Hi,
mom.
Manong.
I like the tattoo.
Oh, you have two.
No, you have to hit it first for it to.
When you do it,
Yeah.
but because it goes with the gongs also.
Music
You can-
is
you
their
can touch. You can-
way to the deities.
Yeah, you can stay here and learn more.
Am I allowed to record around? Just
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, sure.
Thank you.
I'll send you the bill.
That's really cool.
Promote also local products.
Yeah.
So all of that is from you. You like spicy?
Yeah, I love spicy actually.
That's a Philippine hot sauce club.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Basta hanga masapol nga i-pincho din baga. There's also an artist village at the other side.
What's this book?
It's about Igorot.
Oh, really?
Hello.
How much are you selling it for?
It's 500. This is about tattoo.
Oh, yeah.
The PTV4
I've been watching a lot of
I don't know
like vlogs about.
So our tattoo artist came from her tribe.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So she does also the same
Basta
Same.
i-prepare tayo sa
procedure and everything. This book is like we met the guy. He's in Netherlands,
Yeah.
but then Igorot adopted him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and he's 78 now. They adopted him when he was young. He organized this indigenous people, but this one is in Baler. But the people in this book is they came from here in the Cordillera, but they moved in Baler in old times because they moved for it's more easier the life there, and they can plant rice and stuff like that.
Oh, wow.
So it's like an immersion of every indigenous people.
Yeah.
So there's like itas there. Yeah.
Lifetime of immersion.
You're gonna learn a lot here.
Yeah.
He's into trash art.
Trash art.
Now he's being featured in History Channel.
Oh, wow.
Shit, I featured him 2 years ago.
What's these? These clothes?
That's the scarves.
Scarf. Yeah.
Or a friend from Australia,
Oh, really?
and she's a Filipino also.
Yeah.
And she came here just to find family. She got tattoo.
Yeah.
And then I gave her one of them. And she was so touched and crying, and
Wow.
it's really nice story of her. I'll
Sa
put it for you.
executive class ako ng
We got different styles.
Red one, this one. So you can do like also like that, or you can
okay.
also like this.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
lot of things that you can do in this
Yeah.
thing. So it's
That's also for survival. Water
Yeah.
filtration.
yeah.
Ah, okay.
You could fold it like 8 times.
8 times, and then
filter it. I-filian ko na nakot, ay inayan ko na nakot. Basta rin bagat-bagat din ka lang laki dahil ka. Slaan pa yata. In the council lang in the council.
Okay.
No, you should get the real one.
So this one is
well.
for.
I'm not discouraging, but
No,
I'm
I'm
just stating a traveling.
Kuya, he's not buying. He just want to show in the
I'm
vlog.
just giving my
So for
hint.
example, this
Just
one is
weird.
for like this.
3
Oh,
days.
wow.
So
Yeah.
you can also like that,
Ah, yeah.
or you can. So
Talan di laundry.
I wing gayam. So that one.
Yeah.
And you can also, when it's cold, you can use it for. So it's a lot of. It's really useful actually.
Ah,
So you
yeah.
do it like
and
that.
like when you're
And
riding.
when you do it like this too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
That's really cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's
So
nice
you,
though.
you remember one odd?
We'll take care of Jerry.
Yeah, well, once.
How do we call
Jecerey.
it?
How does that work? How do you get a name from the
Kalinga
elders?
is, tabok is not kalinga.
He butchered the pig in traditional way.
You have to butcher a pig.
Migration route.
Because you're running out of time, come back next time.
Oh, I'll definitely come back.
It's gonna be fun. You know the painting there,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
there's a traditional houses there.
Ah,
Famous artist. His
Ah,
name
yeah.
is Ergo.
there we go.
Yeah. Oh, that one. This one he gave it to me. He does
That's
that.
beautiful.
Yeah. That's. And he has the big there. It's a really big one.
Definitely when I come back, I want to invest myself even more into the culture. Maybe I'll contact you.
Yeah, because in the cafe also we do culture exchange.
Oh, yeah.
So the first she's the first. She's Australian.
Yeah.
Her name is Cassandra.
Yeah.
Not the one that I mentioned you before.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Farms.
So she was just walking here and
Yeah.
she was looking, and we are building this one last year.
Yeah.
And we are painting and stuff, and she just passed by and she said, "Hey guys,
Oh,
do you know
yeah.
which
Well
is
landed.
where is the
Well
transient
landed
that I can, you know, it's a cheap one. I'm
Yeah.
a student and
Godfather
you
is
know,
Yeah.
I'm a backpacker." It's like, really? Do you don't mind to sleep in the
Ako,
floor?
ano?
It's like, no, I'm fine. I want to do a culture exchange and you
Yeah.
know. And it's like, do you want to help us? It's like, yeah, you're welcome to come and join us. You can stay with us.
But is it Filipino?
No, it wasn't Filipino. It was I'm not sure what.
But it's a machine.
Yeah, it was machine.
You haven't had experience in traditional one or hand tap or hand poking?
No, not yet. This one's I think buy-in.
By buying, yeah.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Honesty, I think.
Honesty?
Yeah, honesty. Yeah.
I just had mine a few days ago.
Oh wow. So an arrow.
Traditional.
Yeah. What does that? What does it represent? What does it mean?
Says that it's moving forward.
And this one is machine. When I haven't met Amin,
Yeah.
I got this in Europe, Norway,
Okay. Yeah.
because I designed my own because
Yeah.
I am from Benguet and the red one represents my tribe. You
Yeah.
know this one? Benguet, red,
Ah,
black.
yeah.
So it's
Oh, is that the red and black represents your tribe?
yeah,
Yeah.
this cloth. It's
Yeah.
because we have different, you know. So then I met her.
Yeah.
But my parents didn't really like my tattoo. They said that, "What are you doing? You're destroying your very beautiful skin." I was like, "No, it's just henna. After 6 months, it's gone." And then after 3 months, then it come more. So.
Yeah.
But it's also an opening eye to them.
Yeah.
That because in here the old people, or you know, in the past they thought that tattoo is like, you know, you're addict.
Actually, my first tattoo was in Boracay.
Really?
Yeah, it was at the back behind a bar. I just found some bar, and I just asked some random. I shouldn't have done that because it got infected.
You must be in the tips. You're drunk when you get a
Ah,
tattoo.
no, I just because I just go with the flow, and I take a bit of risks. I take a lot of risks. But yeah, it was the red horse.
It's not a red horse. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
And I'm Sagittarius, so
You gonna do it?
yeah, why not?
He wants to try it.
This is called betel nut.
Okay, beetle nut.
Then this is gawad.
Do you swallow it or you just chew on it?
Yeah.
You fully eat it?
You chew it.
Thanks for making it.
Narigat lagi guys. Then you chew it. Wow.
It doesn't taste too bad.
Yung
Yeah. I definitely feel it's like a bit of
you
fire.
feel heat.
Don't swallow. How long do you chew for?
If you chew muna, you feel the heat. You feel good.
Ano yung sagutin pag hindi?
Like
Pag hindi.
ano niya de English na mataka. Strong. You like strong.
Kasi di ba may binibenta?
So do I spit it? Do I spit now?
Yeah. If you use
Okay.
Kaya ko ba ito?
Bud?
Sabi mo ano siya?
Like all over my mouth.
Fully paid ba yun?
But not all. Pero hindi lahat i-dress up.
A little bit in my mouth.
Wala kong hindi siya.
I feel yeah, good. Oh man. I swallowed the liquid. I don't know if I was supposed to. Oh man. Do you swallow the liquid? Oh shit, Oops, I swallowed it. Is that bad? I swallowed the liquid. Is that bad?
You swallow?
Yeah.
Bad?
No. Yeah.
What's your feel?
Yeah, I feel like lightheaded. Yeah. I swallowed the liquid.
You swallow?
The liquid.
Oh, don't swallow.
Oh, whoops.
Spit it out.
You swallow, banana.
And give you water.
That's alright.
You feel
Yeah, I feel like
like this?
yeah.
It's a very nice high.
Ayun, Angel.
Do you feel dizzy?
Yeah, that's alright. A bit, yeah, that's alright. Part of the culture. I didn't know you didn't swallow the liquid.
Just raise your mouth.
Okay.
Let's just try it.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't swallow. Just raise.
Rinse in the spit.
Magamit. Ay, gamit. Ha? Makakasabi lang.
So I swallowed the liquid. I wasn't supposed to.
You swallow the liquid?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, whoops.
You try.
Full experience.
Oh, nice. Next.
University professor.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I teach.
Yeah.
And I still go to school. I've been coming back here for like 10 years, but I just met them.
Oh,
And
okay.
I finally decided to immerse
Yourself.
further. I fell in love with the culture. Communicated the local government in Lexington
Yeah.
and invited them if they want to perform.
Oh wow. That's nice. Good job of you, man. Serving the country. You know what I mean? That's what.
I'm just bridging the cultures.
Yay, we're going na.
So I'm feeling hot from the betel nut. That full warms up your body, shoots me out, stripping my stomach out. But I think we're going soon. I think half an hour or something. I can see there's like a lot of cultural stuff.
No.
So I'm not sure where I'm meant to go. I'm just following everyone.
Alright.
The betel nut sort of got me a bit disorientated, like my hands are shaky. I'm a bit like feeling a bit hot from it. It apparently warms your body, which is exactly what it's doing right now. I'll just jump in. Thanks.
Uy, malikot.
Alright, here we go. Let's go along for the journey. Oh man, I shouldn't have swallowed that beetle thing. Felt like chucking up.